Today, we're going to explore the biggest IKEA store in the world, located here in the Philippines. By now, you probably know IKEA and the products they sell. So this video will focus on general information about IKEA Philippines in 2024 as a lot has changed since they opened last 2021 during the pandemic. How to get here? IKEA Philippines is located in Pasay City, Philippines. It is situated near SM Mall of Asia, one of the largest malls in the Philippines. If you're taking public transportation, the best way to get here is to ride a bus or a jeep going to SM Mall of Asia. Enter the mall and there is a direct passage going to IKEA. If driving a car, drive towards SM Mall of Asia complex and enter the Coral Way and turn right in front of SMX Center. From there, you can enter IKEA's parking lot. IKEA offers ample parking space and is also accessible from MOA's parking. Entering IKEA. Previously, you need to book your slots before you could enter IKEA. But nowadays, with the lifting of any pandemic restrictions, you can just walk in IKEA. IKEA Philippines has a one-way entrance scheme which is located on the 4th floor and you'll immediately enter their showrooms. If you plan to dine at IKEA's Swedish restaurant, just turn right from the entrance to the showrooms. Take note that on busy days like holidays and weekends, there is a long line to enter the Swedish restaurant. So best to get here during off-peak days. Shopping at IKEA. Once you step into the IKEA's showrooms, get ready for a full immersive experience. The layout is designed as a one-way journey, so you'll explore the entire store before exiting through the checkout counters on the 3rd floor. Be sure you're prepared to dive into IKEA's world of design and inspiration when you enter. There's a lot to see. The 4th floor is where the magic begins, featuring beautifully designed ready-built showcases, like bedrooms, kitchens, and living spaces. As you walk through, you'll not only be inspired by complete room setups, but you'll also find individual furniture pieces and accessories. Perfect for mixing and matching to create your own dream home. If you're interested in a particular piece of furniture or have any inquiries, or have already decided on what you want to purchase, you need to approach a IKEA personnel at several counters in the showroom. They will give you a stub so you can pay for that furniture at the counter area. And for large furnitures, you will need to claim it at their claiming area located in the 3rd floor. The 3rd floor has smaller items that you can carry via trolley and pay directly at the checkout counters. From lamps, rugs, curtains to plants, everything else is located on this floor. Just before you reach the checkout counters, the self-serve area is a warehouse-type area where you can check out smaller furnitures. Items like cabinets, chairs, and tables here are already packed and you can directly bring to your car or opt to get delivered. IKEA Delivery. Since a lot of IKEA's products are big and won't fit your car, I will include this quick info about their delivery as they greatly improve the pricing of their delivery this 2024. IKEA's parcel delivery starts at 40 pesos with a maximum of 40 kilograms, which is really cheap if compared to their previous pricing. At our location in Laguna, a 40 kilogram item will be delivered for only 390 pesos. For anything over 40 kg, their truck delivery is only 600 pesos flat rate. Compared to alternatives like Lalamove or Grab, it's decent considering you can get large furnitures delivered straight to your doorstep. Shopping tips. Shopping at IKEA Philippines can be a fun and rewarding experience if you plan well. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your visit. Browse online. Start by exploring IKEA's website or app for the Philippines. You can find details about products, prices, stock availability, and promos and discount. Visit on a weekday or during off-peak hours. IKEA can get very crowded, especially on weekends and holidays. Try to visit during weekdays or early in the day when it's less busy to avoid long lines at checkout. Take notes or pictures. If you see an item you like in the showroom, jot down the aisle and bin number or take a photo so you can have a reference when you check their website. Ask an IKEA personnel or you can use this as a future idea reference. Use IKEA's delivery or assembly services. If you're buying large furniture, consider using IKEA's delivery service. As mentioned already, they have a better delivery pricing option now compared to before. IKEA products often require assembly as well, so if you don't want to assemble furniture yourself or are too busy, you can pay for IKEA's assembly service. So, are you ready to explore the world's largest IKEA? Take your time, gather some fresh inspiration for your home, and even if you're not shopping for furniture, don't miss out on a visit to the Swedish restaurant, especially the famous meatballs. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Have a great day!